The following is a short educational video that covers the P die. Always remove battery from tool before installing dies. Depress the die button and center die into die holder and release die button. With latch tools, it's easier to unlatch the tool before installing the die, then relatch prior to use. The Burndy PUADP1 adapter allows tools to use U dies that usually use P dies. Install adapter into tool, The following tools are compatible to use with P dies: PAT46LWS, PAT46LW, Y46LWBH, and the Y46LWSBH. To prevent injury or damage to tool, tools should never be operated without dies. P die crimps are UL and CSA listed when used with the Burndy engineered system. P dies are sold separately. Thank you for watching our short instructional video on P dies.